So what is up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can post on Instagram with just your PC or laptop. Okay, it's going to be an extension that you're going to add, so there's no need to actually download and install separate softwares or any other needed hardwares. Okay, you can still do it from just your PC. It's going to be quick and easy, and watch this video all the way till the end if you want to know how to do this properly. If you like videos of free softwares, downloads and tutorials, then subscribe to my channel or check out any of my older uploads, as they will all provide immense value to you in your online business. Okay, so I'm on Instagram right now, okay, but as you can see, this is just the normal PC version. Now this is what it's going to look like when you are going to sign into Instagram with your PC. So now what we need to do is basically just get an extension. This one is for Firefox. Okay, I use the Firefox browser. Okay, as you can see right there where I pointed. Okay, so you just need to click on the extension, and what it's going to do is going to change your whole Instagram to look similar to that of a mobile interface. Okay, so you'll get your home icon, your search icon. Okay, you can add pictures here as per normal. Choose upload from your PC. You can check your likes and also your profile. Okay, so what you need to do is go to the add-ons. Okay, you can also just press Ctrl Shift and A. Okay, and you will see something like this. Now this right here is the specific extension for Instagram. Okay, for your PC, it's what you need to get. The name is Instagram PC Lite. So you're going to search it, put it in the search bar, and this is what it's going to look like. So what you need to do is just install it onto your browser, and once you've done that, just activate the extension. Okay, and then it will appear in the top right corner with your other active extensions. Now you'll see that when the logo is pink, it's on, and when the logo is black, it's off. Then if you switch it off, it takes you back to the normal PC interface. But if you switch it on, it goes pink, and it takes you all the way to the mobile interface for your PC, so you can post on Instagram. Okay, effortlessly and easy. If this video is a help to you in any way, please give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel if you have not yet done so. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.